This is Fraudulent TV. Always the best.
Good day, friends. Welcome back to Fraudulent TV. Today I'll be teaching you about how to stop loan apps from auto-debiting money from your account, or how to avoid getting into troubles with loan apps auto-debiting accounts. So basically, what you need to do is to create a virtual card, and I'll be showing you step by step on how to create it using Barter app by flutterwave. So, but beyond that, there are some other platforms where you can create this card. They are virtual cards, and these platforms, you have some of them on Zenith Bank app, mobile app, First Money mobile app. You can actually create virtual cards. So wisdom demands that when you are registering for loan on all these apps, the best thing to do is to ensure that you create a virtual card and link the virtual card. Don't ever link your normal card, otherwise they will start auto debiting, especially if you fund it into the wrong hands. For example, like that of Malu Credit. I had issues with them years back when I borrowed some money from them, just about 7,000 or maybe 5,000, 7,000, and these guys continued debiting my account even after making repayment. So sometimes I had to involve Zenith Bank. I involved some other bodies. I sent mails before it was rectified. But one thing I can assure you is that most times, most of these apps, when they run out of customers, they end up becoming fraudulent, using your details to withdraw money from your account, to debit your account and make some fund. Or there could be a glitch, a sort of glitch, and their system automatically starts debiting you, or sometimes you double pay them automatically. So you have to be very careful. You have to ensure you don't use your normal card to apply for loans on these applications. Majority of them are fraudulent. Majority of them are run by hoodlums. They are run by fraudsters, internet fraudsters that we usually call Yahoo Yahoo in this part of the world. So you have to be very, very careful. You have to work so hard and make sure that you guide yourself, you protect yourself from all these fraudulent apps. So in a few minutes I'll be showing you how you can create a virtual card on Barter, if that's what you want. I use Barter. I don't use virtual cards from other banks, although I have one from Zenith Bank also. So I use Barter, and with Barter you can just create a virtual card with just about $2. $2 is about 1,000 naira, and maybe 1,100. So depends on you, but for me, I think 1,000 naira plus is worth it, because it's at least you are secured and your account is secured, and that is the goal. So it's better you lose 1,000 naira than risk all the funds in your account and your future earnings too. So, but this video or this advice is basically for those who are just trying to apply. If you are new in the whole thing and you want to apply for loans using on apps, mobile apps, then you can take the steps. For those of you that have already registered and you already have applications you are running loans from, I would advise you delete your cards on the platform and add this new one. So sometimes you need to add this new one first before removing those cards. And lastly, you need to also know that some of these commercial banks that give virtual cards, like First Money and Zenith Bank, they charge just about 250 naira. So it's affordable and it's cheap. So if that's what you want to go for, I think it's okay. If that's what you go for, then it's okay. But personally, I'm just so comfortable with Barter, maybe because I also use their dollar card too. So depends on you, and stay tuned while I try to show you how to create a card. Thank you. So like I said, the first step is for you to log into your account And once you log into your account, you have you can see the home page, you can see cards, you can see transactions, and you can see more. So for these for the purpose of this tutorial, we have there are different accounts there. It could be dollars, it could be in naira. So right now we are this dollar. Let's go to naira balance. Now this is naira. So what you need to do is you need to go to the part where it talks about the cards, and this is it. So now this is for the cards. As you can see, I have $1.20 here. So I have the card for dollars and I have the card for naira. What you need to do right now is to add new card. So like I said, it costs about $2 to have a virtual card. So you choose virtual card, or you can even create gift card that you can give to your friends and all and family. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, you can just click on choose virtual card, then you label it my virtual card. And you continue. So you can choose the color you want. Let's say I want nature green, and this is it. So how much do you want? And also, as you can see, how much do you want to fund this card? So if it's $100, $200, let's say $50, but you'll be charged 1,162 naira. So I think this is actually fair. It is okay compared to what you stand to lose if you don't do this. And it's just wisdom. So please make sure you always create a virtual card. All you need to do is click on create. Now make sure you always create virtual cards when you are transacting online, and especially on loan apps or fraudulent apps or apps you are suspicious of. Yeah, thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you again next time, and make sure you watch my video on how to stop these loan apps from accessing your contacts, because you need it also. I think you need that too. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.
This is Fraudulent TV, always the best.